Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to do a generative AI bleed on an image in Adobe Illustrator using their new features. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your artboard and you're going to add whatever bleed you want to add to it. So in this case, let's say we want 0.1. So that'll bump it out, and now you'll see this little red box here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and it'll take a minute for it to load. And now it's got a bleed on it. So it might not be perfect, so you may want to make some adjustments in certain areas, but it should be good enough to use for like a trim gutter or something like that. Thank you.